Hello everyone and welcome back to my California trip. In today's episode, we go to Belen, New Mexico and Winslow, Arizona, and we see trains at both places and along the way. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which will only feature footage from September 17th because there's a crap ton of footage. So there's going to be no other days, just the 17th. But anyways, let's get on to the video, and I hope you enjoy it. The train, the locomotives trailing second were 6743 and 8089 were the power train. Second, Legionette was a H2-9. There's the end of it. In Belen, New Mexico. Well, hello there, little H2-9. Wow. 1841. Burlington Northern Gate, not Gate, SD40. I've never seen one before. I'm quickly across the street. Burlington Northern. That's neat. There you go. Nice. SD40-2, Burlington Northern, number 1841. Neat. So the SD40 is over in over there somewhere, and here you can kind of see the H2-9 more. Just so everyone knows, I'm in Belen, New Mexico. In this rail yard, you can see H2-9 there. So I'm just pointing out, you can see more. Still can't confirm its road number. Also, worker, I think, applying the handbrake. But yeah, here comes the BNSF again. About to merge. You can see him. See him there. You can see him. And then he emerges right out of there. There he is. I just realized it's remote control. There's no one in it. I can remember. I think has the battery. Well, maybe it might be controlled by someone, but it's pretty neat. And why is there spying cars and well cars in a manifest yard? You know what? I'm not gonna ask. Roads are all different. Yeah. Well, that's something off my bucket list, an ex-Burlington Northern locomotive. Technically, I've seen another one in Amarillo, that Jeep that was sitting there in that yard. But I didn't really get I don't even know its numbers, so I'm still gonna count that. So this is my second XBN engine I've ever seen that I can think of. That's neat. Nice. Yeah, moving a little down, up to 1841. You can see the H2-9 a little more. I don't need anything to it, but yeah. As per usual, it's a rail yard, so there's obviously a bunch of freight cars, and I don't know if you can see it. That's nice. Well, I may have seen it. got 1634. Belen, New Mexico Rail Yard. See, you got some engines. That's not really much you can see. Everything's pretty distant. Look at the 2-9 over there. Got a bunch of other BNSF engines. Train at Belen, New Mexico Station. 7746 and 5711. Nice. Nice, you might have a DPU, so. BNSF. A heritage one. No, it's not. Looks to be GEVO and some Dash 9s. Sorry about the bumpy, it's a bumpy highway. Yeah, GEVO, looks like a tier 4 GEVO. And then 3 H2-9s. Focus, please. Oh, man. Oh, it was a short train, too. Dang, you Another BNSF Intermodal. The lead units are back there. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if you can see them or not. They were 3 GEVOs. The mid DPUs look to be 2 GEVOs and another Dash 9. No, I don't actually don't know if you can. I think we can see them.
Still see it?
DPU. It's another GEVO. So, yeah. Okay, this is editing Keegan here, but I somehow never noticed there was a Warbonnet in the footage I just played. As you can see here, there is a Warbonnet. I never noticed that until just now. And this was recorded back on September 17th. It's been over a month since I filmed that. And I just now noticed, as of editing this, that there was a Warbonnet in front of that GEVO. So, my apologies for not mentioning the Warbonnet. You're not gonna believe this. We have another Intermodal. It's over there behind this hill. We have another Intermodal on the BNSF Transcon on this line. It's over there. Get in the view. I believe it's a GEVO, 3 GEVOs. I'm pretty sure what it is. Wait for it to get a better view. It is never mind. Oh, that is, I believe it's 2 GEVOs and a Dash 9. So yeah. 2 non-tier 4 GEVOs, only the second is a tier 4, and a Heritage 2 Dash 9. Damn it. Line in question is the BNSF Southern Transcon. So here's the same Intermodal. We're in Gallup, New Mexico, and here's the power of the Intermodal we've been chasing. It is 4749, 7414, and 7733. Nice. We also got another train as an SD40, 1612, 1837. It was another SD40. It was a yard job.
Oh, my window. Oh, down my window.
Nice. Alright, another train, hopefully, GEVO and 2 Dash 9s, 2 H2 Dash 9s again. Sorry for the bumpiness. This is the car ride. There it is. There's power on yet another Autorack. And also, I think you can see that light down there. That's the Intermodal right down there. So, yeah. Nice. We got 8258 and 5123. Another Dash 9. I think that's the other train. Let's see what it's about. Never mind, it's just freight cars. We already missed the engines. So we got a meet going on over there. The train going to the left is just a random intermodal. Or, well, you could have seen it. No, you can't. Oh, well, kind of. The train going to the left is a random intermodal. The train going to the right is the intermodal we've been following for like the last hour or so. So, that's neat. Yeah, another train. This train had 2 GEVOs and 2 Heritage 2-9s. If there's any DPUs, I'm going to record. In fact, here's the DPU now. We got... It is 8457. SD70 Ace. Right on cue, there is in fact another train. Get out of the way, bars. What is it? GEVO, let's see. GEVO Dash 9. And then another GEVO, and it looks to be another Dash 9. Look like a H3 Dash 9 fourth. Couldn't tell though, because a nice mountain in a way. Is that what it was? Let's see. Can you see the engines, or are they out of sight now? Yeah, they're out of sight. If I see a DPU, I'm going to record. DPU time. Yeah, they are. They appear to be GEVO Dash 9 or AC44 and another GEVO. Oh my gosh. I thought that was the DPU first. Oh, there is no. That was the other train. It was a bunch of GEVOs from what I could see. We're here in Winslow, Arizona. As you can see, we got a caboose. Got this cool old Santa Fe crane. Really? Did you? Who did that? I thought it was a boxcar. It's like half a boxcar, but whoever did that, you're not cool. That's just it. Really? You have to vandalize that? Whoever vandalized that, I don't like you. Whoever vandalized here, and whoever vandalized these cars, why? That's not cool. I'm against graffiti on, museum stuff. We got a Santa Fe car here. And now 2 more cabooses, and then there's the BNSF rail yard right behind it. Still, whoever vandalized this car, I'm disappointed in you. Oh, and there's a train. Oh, crap, I can't get the numbers. 3812 and 7885. And 4535! KCS Gray! What? 4535! Oh my! We got 7221, 7423, 5514, and 3729. Going into the yard where the KCS Gray is. I'll record if there's a DPU. Got a train here, so in order from back to front, 5405, 7627, I think, 5326, I think, and I think 7991 or something like that. So that's what it looks like from back to front formation. Neato. Nice. See, 4 GEVOs. We got 4 GEVOs. We'll see. I'll record if the DPUs get here.
Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which is a long one, but I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you again in the next part. Later.